Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Piaggio Liberty 150. This is the S model with the beautiful wheels and the chrome trim and the top case. Fuel injected, liquid cooled automatic transmission and ABS brakes. Oh yeah, only 925 miles on this gorgeous matte gray motor scooter. 150 cc's is freeway legal. I'm sure you wouldn't want to go far, but you could take an exit or two, carry your passenger. This thing is really beautiful. I can't believe it's still here for $24.99. Come on by and check it out. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.